Moving in Saturday, August the 11th, approximately 4:30 p.m. Doing a walkthrough of the apartment. Notice there's a cable on the floor. There's an indentation in the wall here where the door has hit it. There's places in the wall here that's been patched and messed up. Cable still running along the floor. Window is sun cooked. Wall has, leave the door open, need light. We have dirt along the wall here. Looks like something's been put up here. This is the downstairs living area. Floor is dirty. And some patching of holes in the wall. Grate over the vent there is filthy. Hole in the ceiling has been repaired and patched. Electricity is not owned in the building, so I cannot get a good view of the bathroom because it's dark. Again, more holes have been patched. Stairwell carpet has cable running up the side. Carpet is filthy. Again, marks on the wall. Another patch job on the wall. Again, cannot see the bathroom because of the lack of electricity. Ceiling looks like it's peeling at the top there. Cable has been run under the carpet. Bedroom, fairly decent shape as far as the walls are concerned, except for the carpet being dirty and stained. Closet is rather dark, but appears to be in good shape. Going to the other bedroom. Now look in the little closet here. It appears to be decent shape. Smaller bedroom. Other than a few holes in the wall where they've hung pictures and so on. Appears to be in fairly decent shape. Closet. Appears pretty decent. And that completes the walkthrough. Okay, now that I've got light in the bathroom, you can see the sink is quite dirty, messy. The floor along the tub. The tub itself needs major cleaning. And as seen earlier, the ceiling is paint chipping. Looks like there might have been water damage at one point and had kilts put over it. Baseboard is missing. Today's date is August the 31st, and we're moving out. We have just finished cleaning. We'll start in the upstairs bathroom. Notice the ceiling damage, just like it was when we moved in nearly a month ago. Walls are still just like they were when we moved in. The towel thing is a little loose. The sink is chipped. We've scrubbed and tried to get this dirt and grime cleaned up from when we moved in. The cabinet drawers are clean. Doors in good clean shape. Move out into the hallway. It's much darker. We don't have much light here. Linen closet is clean. Floor's been mopped or vacuumed. When we moved in, we had to shampoo the carpets to clean them because they were filthy, but they are now clean and vacuumed. Go into the big bedroom. Notice everything looks good. The walls are same condition as when we moved in. There is a dark spot on the ceiling. Looks like maybe water damage. That was here when we moved in. Again, the carpet has been shampooed and vacuumed again today. The ceiling fan is working. The cover to the light is in the closet on the shelf. If we moved into the closet, let's see the light cover. Again, everything is clean. Floors again, shampooed and vacuumed. Moving into the other bedroom. Scratches on the door when we moved in. Closing the door. And then this side of the door looks pretty good. Carpets again are clean. Walls are in the same condition they were when we moved in. Closet, same condition as when we moved in. Well, actually not, it's actually cleaner. Going downstairs. Stairs have been cleaned, vacuumed. Again, better shape than when we moved in. Walls are same condition. Got this place on the wall where it looked like somebody had knocked a hole in it and attempted to patch it. Marks on the wall here where apparently they slid something down through there. Hand railing is good shape. Again, stairs have been cleaned. Moving into the living room area. And the floors have been mopped. Everything's in better shape than when we moved in. Walls have even been washed. We did put up a curtain. Door is in good shape. Floors are clean. Moving to the kitchen area. The area where the washer and dryer we had is much cleaner than it was when we moved in. Cabinets are in good shape, just like they were when we moved in. Stove is clean. Dishwasher is clean. Countertop is clean and in good shape. Again, cabinets were never used. Refrigerator has been cleaned. Freezer compartment. And going outside to the back, just pretty much like it was when we moved in. And the little storage compartment again is cleaned out, just like it was when we moved in. Again, today's date is August 34th, August 31st, and this is the conclusion of the walkthrough.